Well, we had several more inches of rain last night. I don't know how many we got. This is not my area of the farm. You can see we have water all running underneath of the shed here. All through here, goes in, and the field is flooded all in that part. Horses are not too worried about that though, because with this rain means the grass is coming in better, and I normally feed them, they wouldn't even come up feeding. You can see it's also all flooding out here. I guess the water doesn't realize that a closed gate means that it's not supposed to come in. All out in the parking area is big puddles. When it's like this, I don't even attempt to pull down the lane. I just back up because otherwise I might get stuck. You see the water's all coming from under here. This is the riding arena. And it's flooded. Horses broke a post here, so we need to replace that. It's all flooded over there. The grass is nice and green though. It filled that up more. A little bit of a puddle there. Nothing coming into my area. Horses I was nice to last night. I stuck the hay in hay nets. They didn't eat it all. And they only had 5/8 of a bale yesterday. So that means that they're starting to get enough from the grass. What you see out in here, well, the liquor's just taking a good roll. It's flooded here as well. Now, the problem with the weather like this is Saturday it was in the 80s. Had the air conditioning on. Yesterday, it was in the low 40s. Mother of many horses fed my horses in the morning for me. She was nice enough to put the blankets back on them. If I had the horses at home right now, I'd be yanking the blankets off because it's fairly warm out. But I don't know that it's going to stay like this, and I've got to go to work. You see, even the round pen is flooded. That normally is the area that dries out first. It's flooded there, including where I was putting the manure because it ditches. And when it dries out, that will be getting all raked up. In fact, this is the last week I'll be collecting manure and dumping it. I'm going to be starting to spread it because it's now greening up. Chickens, I don't have to get any water to. But putting the manure here did work quite well. I have a little bit of erosion going on right through hay or here, but not like I did have. And since it is warming up, I'm not feeding as much hay, which is good. Normally when I buy hay, I try to make sure I have enough to last until April. This is all stuff that doesn't belong in here, but I have no place else to put it. I have 10 bales of hay left. And at this time last year, I was only putting out a little bit more than a bale and was probably getting ready to run. So, yeah, I don't remember. But it's going to depend on how much they eat this week, how satisfied they are with the grass, as to whether or not I even have to put out hay this week. But if I were to put out hay right now, I know they'd ignore it. Have a nice day. I got to get to work.